Ayan na, record.
Parang pangkay lang.
Bumibilis.
Bumibilis. Bakit papahinto na eh.
Ang pangit.
Ina ka din. Tagal mo eh. Sagwa.
Dapat yun na mayroong dressing. Nagilit eh.
Sorry, hindi nahulog.
Ano din nahulog? Madumi na yun eh.
Madumi na yun? Wala na.
Uy, mabasag yung tayo.
Okay lang. Masa naman yun. Yung masama yun.
Ang sama mo.
Ay, hulog ulit. Ay, lang.
Ikaw naman yung inom yan eh. Ay, ikaw kanina ka pa tikim ng tikim.
Kulit kasi.
Bakit binibidyo mo ko?
Bakit naman hindi?
Huwag naman ako yung video.
Video yan?
Oo. Ito yan yun.
Parang totoo. Parang nakikita ko sa tsura ko.
Hirit mo pa yan eh, no?
Ay, hindi.
Dapat yung kalahati mo.
Ano, emotionless. Pag
Balik
nagbabati.
Ano bang binabati mo?
Itlog. Akala ko hotdog. Ano ba binabati?
Tingnan niya may mga handa. Nilantak. Nilantak na itong dalawa.
Hindi ako choosy ah.
Yan si Cyrus and Mel. Eating.
This is delicious. You know, in our country, we don't have this one.
Kadabra.
Because we don't have any water there. It's like full of dessert. You know.
Yung
What we
isa
see
pa.
over there like AK-47 and, you know.
Johan ng puta.
Meet the one.
Meet the cannibals.
Ikaw yung cannibal.
Tabang tuloy.
Kulang ba sa ano?
Kasi.
Pampira.
Meron pa. Aray.
Galing lang. Relax ka lang. Relax lang ako eh. Ito na ba?
Mabitaw mo yung camera ko ha.
Where's the content?
What's the content?
The knife off.
Here.
No, the content here.
Wait.
Did you use a knife? Did you use a knife? Where's the content?
Don't you see what eating here? Because in our country, we don't have like this, you know. I don't know what you call this. What you call this in the
We have
country?
tattoos.
Mami.
What you call this?
Hi, Dad.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
the bartender.
Here, in our country, we don't have like this, no. But here, they have like this.
Ano ba? Ano bang kailangan mo?
Yan, video.
Ayun, lumabas niya Jason.
Hindi, i-upload ko sa YouTube yan. May account.
Bari, hirapan si Kenya eh. Tulungan kita.
May account ako sa
May tulo, may tulo.
May account ako sa YouTube. Kala mo.
Ako din. Ako din meron.
Eh, sorry naman.
Upload ko yan.
Ikaw din. Boyfriend. Boyfriend.
May tao pala.
Hindi naman po kayo si... Boyfriend. Boyfriend. Ba? Isang manong. Wala kami chaser eh.
Alam mo kasi,
Ikaw,
yung
ito lang,
pinunta
ikaw
mo
ang
dito.
okay na mo wala chaser eh. Kaso lang...
Kanina pa nila inintay yun.
Tulong kambing na dito.
Akala ko akin to.
Gagin. Ay, ito siya. Crazy.
Ang sarap. Alam mo ah, kami yan kasi gusto.
Yala! Lagot. Love.
Ako.
Ayun, ano to?
Wala naman yun. Ano tama lang?
Oh my God, Taryn. Ew. Ito mga payatot na to.
You know what? In our country, we don't have like this. I don't know what you call this here.
I don't know what you call this. It is casserole.
But whatever this is it, you know, it's delicious.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, I will really highly recommend
In
this
our
to our
country, we don't have
country.
like this.
How much does it cost here?
It's,
What do you call this?
It's, I don't know. It's
You
for
don't know.
free.
This is very
It's for
yummy.
free. Well,
Yeah.
that's good because if my friends go here, it will be for free first, right?
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
Yum,
That's
yum.
good. That's good.
Kailan mo ito matatapos?
Abracadabra!
Ano yan?
Bakit naman?
Abracadabra,
Yes.
yung kakabit.
If you use too much of it, then you get used to it. I don't mind.
I don't mind.
I don't mind at all.